Hello everyone, my name is Devi Susana. I am student from Stikes Jalan Ahmadiyani Cimahi. In this video, I will be share to you about how to make LinkedIn on smartphone.
We'll explain how to create LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a business-oriented social networking website, mainly used for professional network. Okay, let's share it. First time, you must open your Google. You should write in Google LinkedIn. Then, select LinkedIn. And click join now. Now, enter your name, your full name, your email address, and the password. And click agree and join. For security, you have to click a robot and later you have to choose the image according to introduction, for example, the bridge. Okay. If you student, you click yes. Write your university. Write your title. And your specialty. Okay. We have write the code. Click Gmail. Enter the code and click agree and confirm. Click agree and confirm. Okay, in LinkedIn you can add a mail contact to find who you know LinkedIn, but you can also skip directly in this part. And then you can add your profile photo. You can search in your library. Okay, click save. You can enter work position for job notification, but you can also skip them. For example, nursing. In your profile, you can write your experience, your education history, and your expertise or skill and your email address. There is the step of how a great LinkedIn. Thank you.